Lida D'Souza, Academic Coordinator, Eben Sir, our coordinators, teachers, and all my fellow adventurers of the summer cosmos. I, Aradhna Khandelwal, along with my companion Keshav Sharma, am here to welcome you to today's roller coaster ride.
Ahoy, fellow adventurers, gather around as we embark on a whimsical journey to the enchanted realm of our summer camp extravaganza.
Life is better with flips and flops, embracing the sun-kissed days and warm summer nights.
What a sweltering month this May has been, and yet your unwavering spirits has helped us gather to participate and to showcase our true spirits of sportsmanship and artistic souls.
To begin with today's celebration, I would like to invite Garvi Khandelwal to welcome today's gathering.
Thank you, Radhya and Keshav. A hearty welcome to our Vice Principal, Father Arul Anthony, our Headmistress, Sister Lida D'Souza, our Academic Coordinator, Mr. Eben Verghese, teachers, mentors, and my dear friends. Today, I extend a hearty welcome to each one of you as we showcase on this stage our talents and lessons learned in this short span of time called Summer Camp for you to witness. I, on behalf of each and every student who participated, learned and honed their capabilities, would like to appreciate the zealous and diligent efforts of all our teachers and mentors who, as fine sculptors, have as always helped us refine ourselves, shaped us and our lives with love, guidance and never-ending support. But as we gather here today, basking in the golden glow of another summer camp well spent, I can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. Awe at the sheer magnitude of fun we've had, and wonder at how we managed to squeeze so much excitement in just a short span of time. These summer activities have worked like the seasonings in the stew of life, adding flavors and zest. So, what exactly did we learn in our summer escapades? Dance classes, where our grooves were made smoother. Spoken English classes, where our tongues twisted like pretzels. And art sessions, where we turned blobs of paint into abstract masterpieces. But let's not forget the sports extravaganza that had us sweating. Basketball, football, volleyball, badminton, you name it, and we played. And if we didn't trip over our own feet at least once, did we even participate? Of course, we also dabble in the fine arts. And who could forget the nail-biting cricket matches where victories tasted sweeter than a scoop of ice cream on a scorching summer day? But amidst all the chaos and commotion, there were moments of serenity too, like gliding gracefully across the ring in the skating classes, or finding inner peace through the power of taekwondo. And let's not overlook the musical masters of the school band, whose melodious tunes filled the air with joy and harmony. So cheers to our summer camp, where the sun always shone brighter, the laughter never ended, and the adventures were as endless. I welcome you to a fun-filled celebration. Hope you enjoy. Kudos to our Xaverian spirits. Thank you. I would now like to invite my juniors Nikita Mato and Nisha Tete to continue further.
Thank you. Martin Luther King Jr. beautifully defined the true essence of prayer. He prayed saying, "Use me, God. Show me how to know who I am, who I want to be, and what I can do. Use me for a purpose greater than myself."
To commence today's festivities with a celestial symphony, let us join in a moment of contemplation as we offer our heartfelt gratitude to God Almighty with a mellifluous prayer
Well, the best prelude to any of our school's revelry is our school band, Silver Strings, and so I welcome Silver Strings for the riveting symphony.
Silver Strings pose to take you on the rhythmic journey that transcends boundaries and fills the air with soul-stirring melodies of their collective artistry. Get ready to be enthralled by the symphony of sights and sounds that will leave an indelible mark on your senses. Introduce you through the next program.
Next on our itinerary, we delve into the captivating world of artistry and craftsmanship. Our fellow Zovidians have worked on several kinds of art, like zintangle art, mosaic pattern art, pixel art, tie-dye, t-shirt painting, paper collage, and calligraphy.
Zintangle art is an art which is non-representational and unplanned, so you can focus on each stroke.
Mosaic pattern arts are significant not only as art, but as evidence of where and how people lived, worked, and thought. The location and architectural settings of many mosaics have been recorded over the centuries by archaeologists, helping them illuminate their cultural context.
Pixel art allows beginners to practice specific skills such as shape and color palette selection, which leads to faster improvement. In contrast, hand-drawn art requires a more comprehensive understanding of composition, line art, shading, and other artistic elements.
Tie and dye art was adopted by an entire generation of rebellious youth, making the style a symbolic representation of peace worn by free-spirited youth. In the early 70s, tie and dye was widely related to hippie movement as its psychedelic form became dominant in music festivals and protests.
Paper collage is a fascinating form of artist expression that combines various elements and materials to create unique and visually stunning compositions. It is a versatile medium that allows artists to explore and experiment with different textures, colors, and shapes. The art of collage has a rich history rooted in the early 20th century.
T-shirt painting is a creative and fun activity that allows individuals to express their unique personalities and spread positive energy through wearable art. You can choose their favorite color, designs and codes to paint on a plain t-shirt, creating a one-of-a-kind piece that reflects your style and message.
Indeed, from splashing colors onto canvases to mastering the delicate art of calligraphy, our campos have crafted masterpieces that rival even the great Ragnar himself. Watch as our skilled calligraphers crafted intricate strokes and swirls, turning words into works of art. Discover the grace and precision of this end, more common between 200.
Turn words into visual symphonies and transform ordinary material into extraordinary work of art. Marvelous indeed.
We now invite Pragna Mathur and Shubham Chaudhary to introduce you to the next event of this whimsical journey.
To the mix, we have a valiant taekwondo warriors taking the center stage.
Did you know Taekwondo is practiced by over 70 million people in the world? The Taekwondo uniform is called a dubo and basically consists of a white uniform and a belt tied around the waist.
So praise yourselves, dear voyagers, as our fearless fighters showcase their agility and prowess in a display of cosmic martial arts mastery.
For a whirlwind of adrenaline and excitement as our intrepid skaters take the stage. Get ready to see them off in the ring and defy gravity with their spins.
We non-whites are little friends Pallavi Bharadwaj, Vipin Kaswar, Mani Chirwal and Navika Seni to introduce the next group.
As we summon forth the champion of hard work, the gold, the pit, and the sand, prepare to witness a spectacle of talent that transcends the ordinary and enters the realm of the extraordinary. Prepare to be enthralled, enchanted, and moved by the sheer magnificence of these exceptional athletes as they grace our stage.
First in line, emerging with the grace of a phoenix rising from the ashes, we welcome the basketball prodigy. This fell on the cricket field with strategic brilliance and unwavering resolve. We present to you the cricket star.
Next, like a symphony conductor commanding the shuttlecock with finesse, put your hands together for the badminton wizards. In the world of football, where legends are born and dreams take flight, direct your applause to the football maestros.
And finally, on the volleyball court, where each point is a masterpiece in motion, join us in celebrating the athletic artistry of our volleyball players.
With hearts pounding and spirits soaring, let us embrace this unique gathering of sporting prowess, where each player's talent shines like a beacon of inspiration.
जिंदगी का ये घड़ाने एक सांस में जगाने चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 सारे इश्क की छाँव चल छैया छैया सारे इश्क की छाँव चल छैया आओ जन्नत चले चल छैया छैया आओ जन्नत चले चल छैया चल छैया 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 ఫోన్ చేశారు ఆపు ఆపు ఎయిర్ప్లేన్ మోడ్ बारिश किया तो यारो प्यार किया प्यार होता 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 कई बार किया तो दिल सार किया किया तो दिल सार किया प्यार
As our grand spectacle draws to a close, let us take a moment to express our gratitude to all who have made this magical journey possible.
The success of this summer camp solely depended on the diligent, detailed, constant support and care of our mentors under the able guidance of our principal, Reverend Father Sangeet Raj, our Vice Principal, Reverend Father Arun Anthony, and our Headmistress, Sister Lida D'Souza. Now, I would like to invite our Vice Principal, Reverend Father Arun Anthony, to deliver the vote of thanks and share his experience too.
Respected sister, teachers, coordinators, and my loving students, good morning everyone. As we come to the end of the wonderful summer camp, it's my privilege to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks to all those who made this camp an enriching and memorable experience. First and foremost, I would like to thank our dedicated teachers of sports, art, music, and dance department, and teachers involved in the summer camp, remedial classes, and regular classes. Your tireless efforts in planning and coordinating every detail is commendable. The summer camp activities, workshops, and events were not only fun but also educational, providing our students with the skills and memories that they will cherish forever. A big thanks to our fantastic instructors Suresh, Bharat, Naman, Mahi, Akil, Ajit Kumar, Akash, Ranjit, Surinder Balsan. Your guidance, patience, and enthusiasm have been truly inspiring. You have helped our children learn new skills, overcome challenges, and discover hidden talents. Your support has made a significant impact on each one of them. I want to thank my fellow teachers. You have been amazing people, ready to walk an extra mile. Your profession is to make a difference in others' life, forgoing your own choice and comfort. There is no promotion, only dedication towards shaping the young minds for a better tomorrow. Together, we have created memories filled with laughter, learning. It has been a wonderful journey with you all, and a heartfelt thanks to each one of you. I would also like to extend my gratitude to all the teachers, office and maintenance staff. Your behind the scenes work ensured that everything ran smoothly. Your hard work and dedication have not gone unnoticed, and we appreciate everything you have done for us. A special thanks to Sister Lida. Thank you for encouraging and supporting and arranging for this event. Lastly, I want to thank you all my beloved students for your active participation. As we depart today, let's carry forward the lessons we have learned, the friendship we have forged, and the joyous moments we have shared. Thank you once again to everyone to contribute to make this summer camp a remarkable experience. Have a safe journey home and see you with our new hope and dream. Thank you so much.
To our dedicated organizers, tireless volunteers, and of course, our spirited participants, we raise our imaginary hands in salute to their unwavering commitment and boundless enthusiasm. We would now like to invite our seniors Divyanshu Gupta and Keshav Sharma.
And so here we are, adventurers and dreamers, the culmination of our summer camp odyssey.
As we bid adieu
to this awe-inspiring chapters. May your adventures be as bright as the stars above you and your hearts as boundless as the universe itself.
Until we meet again under the summer sun, may your vacations be filled with laughter, hearts with joy, and your dreams with endless possibilities.